So you are having issues logging into Steam like this that says please check your password and account name and try again. Well, I have the solution for you. It's very simple. You have to go to your documents, press here, and go to the folder that is, and go to the folder that have Steam. So I have to go here, programs, Steam. You have to find this config folder, double click, and this file, PDF file config, double click. Then you have to go to edition, find, and then you have to write accounts. Then once you find accounts, you have to go down here and you will find this name, that is the name of your account, because usually people confuse the name of your account and the displayed name. So this is the name we have to use to log in, and we have to put it here. And as you can see, I'm already logged in. So this is the way to solve this problem. If this video was useful for you, please subscribe, like, comment, share, and see you next time. Easy way.